Ah, no recuerdo comprando un filtro.
¿No?
¿Todo está bien eso? Ok. No está goteando.
No, pues dejamos esto al andar a ver.
No está conectado este. A ver si está bien la batería. No quiere quedar prendido. Yo creo que el problema es este. Es frío, pero ¿cómo quedó tan afuera? ¿Tanto? No debe ser
2/3.
No debe ser 1,5.
2/3 para que trabaje. fallando una bujía.
Mucho carbón. Quiero probarlo afuera.
¿Para qué? ¿Para que trabaje bien el motor o qué?
No, poner este en el cable otra vez. A ver si tiene chispa.
La chispadina pero estaba muy enmojecida. A ver, échalo. Sí.
Sí tiene. Entonces, ¿por qué no?
Estaba muy sucia.
¿Pero por qué? Ese es el problema.
No, es que ya es una falla que traía.
Pero ¿no está entrando suficiente gasolina o qué?
No, de más.
Más.
Y es que a veces como ya empiezan a fallar, entonces ya no quema la gasolina. Miguel, ahí se queda. O sea que
Sí.
se va a quedar muy poco, pues. No quema
Pero
igual.
es muy raro con número 1 y número 6. Porque son los cilindros que llegan menos gasolina en este motor. El carburador está en medio. Los cilindros de medio llegan más gasolina.
A ver, échale.
Todo bien.
No quiere la bujía, yo creo. No quiere la bujía, yo creo. Lo voy a cambiar, Miguel.
Sí, cambio 1 por 2.
Sí,
A ver si pasa lo mismo.
porque si no, todas son las válvulas.
O podemos hacer una prueba de compresión.
No, no. Vete abajo. ¿Cuánto tiene?
95.
95.
Sí.
Le falta.
Pero ese depende de los otros cilindros. Pero con 95 debe tener.
No, no, sí prende, pero te falla, Miguel. Ahora, Miguel.
¿Está jalando? ¿No?
No, pero no. Creo que haga piedritas. ¿De qué lado? Pues se lo trae atrás, ¿verdad?
¿Ah?
Estuvo la gasolina.
Atrás de la placa. To recap what happened in this video, because I know it wasn't very clear, we did a compression check on cylinder number 1. It was about 90 pounds of compression. It should be a little bit more, but it might have been because the car's been sitting for so long, the valves got a little bit carboned up, so I'm going to drive it for a while. The carburetor was adjusted. All the brakes were adjusted so it doesn't pull violently to the left anymore. So I am ready to use this as my daily. Hopefully the brakes will last more than a week. So please stay tuned for more on this. I'm going to take some driving videos and see how that goes. The reason we did all the work on this car was to prepare it for a special day. And I even did more work after that. I washed it, cleaned all the windows, vacuumed it all out, oiled all the doors, so no more squeaking doors. And I came out in the morning in my good clothes to get in the car, and I heard click, 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 dead battery. He just did not want to go that day. So I had to use my other truck, which was completely filthy, for that special day. And this car, I put him in a timeout. He sat here for a couple of weeks, dead battery, waiting for me to get back around to him so I could stop being pissed off at him. So I eventually did change the battery and did a few other adjustments, and this is the one I'm using every day, daily driving, 6-cylinder stick shift. It's a lot of work to drive this car in traffic, but well, really don't have much of a choice now, but it's okay. Doesn't seem to need any work right now. The brakes are giving me just a little bit of problem. I can feel the brake pedal going down just a little bit at a stoplight. I don't know why. That's the next thing I have to check. And I'm going to say again because it happened again, and one of the brake hoses was a little bit loose. So we tightened that up and thought that was fixed, but no. Then the other day I came out, started it up, backed it out, hit the brake, and the wheel spun itself to the left. Put it in reverse, spun itself to the right. Checked the brake fluid, it was full. Got back in the car, moved it back and forth, and then that little problem went away, and I was able to drive it. And it hasn't happened since. So everything in the braking system is new. Wheel cylinders, rubber parts, everything. I don't know what it is now. I really don't. But that's the next thing we'll get around to. So please like, share, subscribe. Actually subscribe first, then do the rest. Adios all.